Hello and welcome to Petrit Lush. Today we have this amazing BMW 8 Series M850i convertible. So we will take a look at the exterior, the interior and of course the infotainment system. This 8 Series is supposed to rival the Mercedes S-Class convertible. But does it have what it takes to give the Mercedes S-Class convertible a run for its money? Let's find out. Let's go. Unveiled for the model year 2019, the modern BMW 8 Series revives the iconic nameplate that the German firm produced from 1919 to 1999. After nearly 2 decades off the shelf, the BMW 8 Series is back and it's once again looking to head the BMW lineup with sporty, grand touring luxury as a replacement for the outgoing 6 Series. Unlike its predecessor, the new 8 Series also spawned a convertible version that we see right now. It is supposed to tackle the drop-top variant of the luxurious Mercedes-Benz S-Class coupe. From the off, it's pretty obvious that this convertible looks pretty much the same as the normal 8 Series, albeit it does come with an electrically retractable soft top made from fabric instead of a normal roof. When viewed head-on, you can see that it has a very wide stance and it's very close to the ground, especially when you look at it from the wheels. The nose comes of course with the latest BMW kidney grille design with a metal trim surrounding it. The grille also comes equipped with active air flaps which actually help cool the engine when it's running very hard. Below the kidney grille there's a very large front splitter. You can see very sporty looking bumpers and of course large air intakes. These headlights are very wide. They have of course the latest BMW LED technology, the BMW laser headlights. Inside the housing of the headlights you will find geometric lighting signatures, plus high intensity LED lighting elements as a standard. Laser lighting elements are optional, while adaptive lighting components add an extra tech component. Up top there's a very muscular hood design and a long hood line. The profile also reveals a long wheelbase and a set of air vents behind the front wheels. Speaking of the rollers, options include 20 and 21-inch rims. From the side you can of course immediately see these 20-inch rims. They are Y-spoke M Sport rims of course, and as you can see it has these beautiful blue brake calipers, a nice M badge here on the side and of course a beautiful sporty breather. A beautiful, very long vehicle with some very sporty lines here at the side, making it very sporty. So let's take a closer look at these beautiful rims. As you can see, they are 245/35 20-inch Y-spoke rims and of course blue brake calipers with a nice M badge. From the side we can of course see these beautiful lines, making it extra sporty. The back is one of the most beautiful parts of this car. The rear comes with a standard diffuser element, and while the majority of the body panels are identical to the coupe model, the trunk lid is a bit different, both to accommodate the retractable top and to help differentiate the convertible model. On the right side it has the M850i emblem and on the left side the X-Drive emblem. The tail lights are very slim and wide and go all around the car to really accentuate how wide the car is. For me the rear gets an A+. Now it seems like it's time for the interior. So let's get carefully into the 8 Series, and much like the exterior design, the interior is almost identical to the normal 8 Series. It has a fresh new dashboard and center console, which is laid out with an emphasis on the horizontal design, and of course it has the latest BMW technology, including this beautiful digital display here in the middle. and it has a little shifter over here, this little knob, which is actually a crystal, and it's pretty much what the BMW X7 has. It looks very luxurious and very rich, of course. High-end materials pervade throughout the interior, such as of course the merino leather, metal inlays, and of course some aluminium trims you see everywhere. It also has a very nice contrast stitching on the leather, as you can see. Of course, a high-end audio system coming from the Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system. As you can see, you can set your memory seats over here, and the buttons for the seats are down here, where you can change your position, and of course you can save them. Behind the steering wheel there's a set of digital gauges, with the screen behind the dash measuring in at a whopping 12.3 inches. There's also a 10.25-inch digital infotainment screen mounted high on the center console. As BMW's flagship model, the 8 Series Convertible also comes with loads and loads of technology, including a bevy of systems and features for both added safety and greater convenience. That means such standards as parking assist, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, steering assist, blind spot monitors, and the like. Luckily, the steering wheel has many of these options to easily use them. The engine start button is located near the crystal ball. And of course, it has all the other options such as the 360 degrees camera, and of course you can change between Sport, Comfort, Eco Pro and Adaptive mode. Overall, the interior is simply stunning. It's made from high-end materials and it combines both luxury and sportiness all in one. This is truly a flagship model for BMW. Sadly, I do have to admit that in the back you don't have enough space. I put my driving seat in a normal driving position for what is comfortable for me. Now, I do already notice that in the back I will not fit with my legs. So personally, I think this car is better as a two-seater, and maybe you can put some children in the back. So let's see if we do have enough space in the trunk, but if that's too tight, you can always put it in the back seats. So as you might have already guessed, the convertible's trunk capacity is inferior to the coupes in order to make room for the soft top to fold. When the top is closed, the storage capacity is at 350 liters. It's 70 liters less than the coupes. And in order to ensure the load compartment offers as much space and flexibility as possible, the soft top compartment can be lifted. Now, as you might not be able to see, there's still room underneath and it's actually very long. So let me show you how long it is exactly. So as you can see, a soft top does offer more space than a hard top convertible. Let's take a look at what it actually looks like when you open and close the roof. The roof can be opened and closed automatically at the touch of a button, and it takes only 15 seconds to fold or unfold. You can even open and close it simply with the key. You can activate this function when the car is traveling at speeds of up to 31 miles per hour. I will show you how it works. Simply press and hold the unlock button and the rooftop will open automatically. That was the video for today. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and maybe even check out my Instagram. See you guys on the next review. Bye bye.